Rightio, so part 2 of the classic car show at York Knavesmire. Starting off with a Alfa Romeo 2000 Berliner. Very nice indeed. Look at that, lovely little information board there as well. 1973 Reg and all that. Very cool. I like stuff like that, it's really nice to see. Little Mark 1 Fiesta there in beige. I love beige on 80s cars, it just suits it so well. It's a really nice colour. I love the chrome bumpers and the mirrors and everything like that. It's pure 80s on the higher spec models, that is. Lovely stuff, I like that a lot. Porsche Carrera and a Boxer S, you know. I'm not really, as I say, I'm not really keen on the Porsches myself, but to those who are, that's totally fine, you know. Well, have a look at what this is. This is huge, this, isn't it? Absolutely huge. See how cars are so big these days, but they were big back then as well. So it's an Armstrong Siddeley, 15 HP, really nice. Got a Range Rover, another Range Rover, really nice. And next to that, it's a Morgan. What do we have here? This is a Morris Oxford. These are very nice cars. I do like these as well. There was actually someone used to have one down where I used to live actually. Triumph TR3A, lovely stuff. Here we've got an Mgb Gt. Rubber bumpers, you know. To be quite honest with you, I do actually like rubber bumpers. You know, they're not that bad. People always used to, they still convert them to bloody chrome, and I'm like, you're ruining a car, really. But, you know, chrome as well. I like chrome, I like rubber. But then again, it's your car at the end of the day if you want to change it. Little Spitfire, Triumph Spitfire there with the. Let's have a look at the engine. There we go. Oh, it looks like it's been converted to a straight 6. That. Someone put a straight 6 in that. Oh, is it? Oh, it's a GT6, is it? Oh no, what am I on about? It is a Spitfire. I'm confused by the straight 6 in that. It should be inline 4, that. It's interesting. Peugeot 205 CTI, convertible, basically convertible GTI, really. Really nice. Very cool. Another Peugeot 205. I love the Peugeot 205, so they are brilliant. We like them. We like to see the 205s. Especially in, oh yeah, look at them hubcaps as well. Brilliant stuff. I think it's a special edition. It is, it's a 205 look. Got little decals on the side there, and a little badge on the back to tell you what it is. Mercedes CLK. These are really big cars, huh? I'm quite surprised by that. It's a very big car. Another Austin 7, lovely. And then we've got an MG. Is this the... Oh, it's totally gone, but it's... I think it's an 1800. Very nice. It's an 1800. I'm not too sure, but yeah. But here we have an Austin Maestro diesel. The lattice alloys as well. We like the lattice alloys. Yup. Yorkshire lad, I like that. Yeah, Clubman D Turbo. There we go. Very nice. I like that. Austin Montego Estate, or Countryman, or whatever you want to call it. This, I believe, it's done like, what, 1 million miles? I think this is the one, the 1 million mile Montego. Yeah, this is it. Lovely stuff. I like stuff like this. It shows a lot of history and a lot of, you know. I like the running in sticker as well, that's good. DLX, it's diesel, so these just go on forever. These are really good engines in these. But yeah, really nice to see it actually, because it's shown it well, the million miles it's done anyway. And I think trying to maybe restore it would ruin it, so it's nice to see it like that. Another Morgan there, very nice. Let's come round to the front of these actually. So, I don't know why it wants to park back to front. But yeah, little Hillman Imp van, very nice. And we've got another Rover here. This is a Rover 14. Usually the numbers, I believe, go off by how much horsepower it has. I'm not too sure on that one. Oh, that might be the older ones. But we've got another Rover here. This is a P4. Usually tells you the number at the front. I think this is probably a 90. Oh, this is a 75. This one. It's quite an early one then. Still got the thing for the crank handle on that one. TVR there, lovely stuff. Another Jag, and then a Sunbeam. Another Sunbeam. These are nice. Try and get a good shot of it. There's quite a few people around. There we go, that's better. I love the American influence on the back here as well with the wings. These are really cool. Very nice car. Lovely colour as well. A little Mazda X5 here. A Ford Anglia that's been souped up with all the fog lights and all that jazz, you know. TVR, another TVR. Here we have an Aston Martin or something. Apparently it says on there it's a kit car though. I've got no idea. Things like this really stump me. I don't know. I just go off by the badge on them things. An NG, not an MG, but an NG. There we go. Or another kit car, I believe. We know what this is. It's Sierra. It's Iris 500 Cosworth. Wow. That's very rare. Lovely colour as well. Little Mini here, 850. It's had some sort of woolly cap it fitted inside. We've got a Golf here, Volkswagen Golf. Surprised this is the first one I've seen today. Golf, Das Auto, Golf driver. Mgb Roadster once again. We've got a Ford Mustang Gt, very nice. I bet this sounds absolutely awesome when it starts up. Another Austin Healey there. A Vauxhall Viva, I believe this is, isn't it? Viva? I'm sure it's a Viva. Looks like a Viva. Ford Popular here. The Jag S-Type. Volvo. Barking dogs. Volvo 940. I like these as well. These are nice. It's nice to see one here as well. And they don't have to be, you know, concourse either. You just turn up and show it really, and it's totally fine, you know. TR6 here. Got an MG V8 once again in Nightfire Red. I believe I did them in two colours, like that green colour and Nightfire. A Simca. These are pretty rare now, aren't they? Simca. I think it's a 1204 special. There we go. Let's good job I brought the mic today. It's a bit windy. I like the keep your distance sticker in this Hillman Avenger. Oh, it's a Viva, sorry, what am I on about? Viva. The Vauxhall Viva, not an Avenger. What? Oh dear. Little Triumph Spitfire 1500 here. Another TR5 there. It's got overdrive, that one. Yeah, I don't know why I said Hillman Avenger, because just ignore that. Pretend that never happened. I'm going to get slated for that for days. Volvo 340 there. It might be a 360, I don't know, GLS. And there's the Rover 25 that have come in today. Actually, you know what, I'll show you a little collection of brochures and stuff on the back. Badges and all that jazz, you know. A little Mgb again. With a 2CV van. Yellow colour. There we go. It's absolutely overflowing today. It's really busy. I don't know if I'm going to get through all of these. Another Austin there. 2CV. Ford Escort Cabriolet. Probably won't even be able to get through them all, to be quite honest with you. It's a lot bigger than last year, that's for sure. I've got no idea what this is. A Jowett, made in Yorkshire. There we go. That's something you like to see. It's a Jowett. And they were made in Yorkshire, that is true. It's a Honda. Oh, yes. Awesome. I love the Hondas. Honda Accord. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Jaguar. Look at the size of them lights on the front. Huge. It's got caught up in some dogs there. MGA. Lovely. A Ford Cortina. I think this is here every year. I see this one quite a lot, you know. It's quite nice to see them come back and stuff. You know that we're still around and all that. Another Mercedes there. Another Austin 7. Austin 7s are pretty common here today. Another Ford. Vauxhall Chevette. That's nice. Very nice. Sunbeam, Talbot and whatnot. Another Morris, Mini, 2 CVs. Everything's here today. I've seen that one before, that's for sure. A Skoda, oh yes. And a Stell. Yeah, it's a 120 5-speed. Don't see many of them, do you? Skoda. Fiat 500 for some reason. Another Mini there, it's on a Y plate, so that's a very late one on a Y plate. It's 2001, so that was like the last of the last. TR6. Another American pickup truck or whatever it is. Not a pickup truck, sorry, what am I on about? It's massive though, I don't know what they are, but yeah. Jaguar type. Another Mini. Anglias. Let's have a look at the Anglias. More Anglias. Anglias there, very nice. An Anglia van. Right, we're all here today. Lovely. And there's some Stags over there as well. More Anglias. It sounds weird saying that over and over again. It doesn't sound like a word now. Anglia Super. And then there's more Triumph Stags over here as well. They're all in, you know, in clubs and all that lot. More Ford Prefects there as well. More Stags, you know, it's all here. Now these are interesting. Let's have a look over here. This is a Vauxhall Senator. Now when the heck have you seen one of these? These are like what? Rare as rare, rarer than rare. It's a CD as well, so I don't know if that's top spec, but yeah, a Vauxhall Senator. Bloody hell, you don't see many of them, do you? and a Cavalier. Brilliant stuff. Lovely. These are awesome. This is a Vauxhall Monza, and there's two of them. Look at that. There's two of them at the same time. I love these. These are really cool as well. Oh, see, this is an Opel one. This one, Opel Monza. Lovely stuff. Some old Mercedes over there. Mercedes, whatever what the plural is. Mini. A Reliant Scimitar. What would you call it? Special name for these ones. It's gone. Very nice, nonetheless. Another Mercedes there. Mgb Gt, MGTF. Another Jaguar. Another MG there as well.
Why did you say it like that?
I think that's part 2. You know, I don't think we'll get. I think we might have to do 3 videos for this. You know, this is very, very, very busy this year. So I'll probably do a part 3. So thanks for watching part 2. And yeah, we'll probably do this section next. Oh, it's a Rover. Get in. Lovely. Yes, we are definitely doing a part 3 now. I'll see you then.